Welcome back to the video class, dear children. Today we shall pick up in this video class some topics from chapter 4. That is division of a number by two-digit number, 10, 100 and 1000, one by one. So let's pick up the first case, that is division of a number by two-digit numbers. Let's pick up an example. Let's divide 2467 by 13. Here the divisor is 13 and divisor is 2467. As we have done in the previous video class, we shall see the leftmost digit 2. This 2 is smaller than 13. It should never be smaller than this. So we have to pick up the next digit also. That is, we shall pick up 24. Then we will find multiples of 13 which is equal to 24 or nearest to 24. Let's see. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So this is bigger than 24. So this cannot be taken. So we have to take 13. So 13 will be written here. And we will write 1 here. Then let's subtract 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Then next come down 6. Again in the multitable of 13, we will find 116 or nearest to this. We can multiply by different numbers here. 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7. 8, 9. 91 is smaller than 116. So we can pick up another bigger number. 8 3s are 24. 8 1s are 8, 10. Still smaller than 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 1s are 9, 11. This is bigger, so cannot be taken. So we have to take this one, 104. And where did you get? At 8. So this should be written here. So here 8. Then do the subtraction. 6 minus 4, 2. 1, 0. Then next bring down the last digit, 7. Again in the multitable of 13 we will find 127 or nearest to 127. So here we have already got 117. So we have to take again 9. 1 1 7 0 1. Now the remainder is smaller than the divisor and no digit to bring down here. So this is the end of the division. So 2467 divided by 13 gives quotient 189 and remainder 10. So the same way division of a number by 3 digits also can be done as we have done here. Then let's come to the second case, that is division of a number by 10. So let's pick up the example 287 by 10. Again here 2 is smaller than 10. So we have to pick up the 2 digits. The 2 digits, that is 28. The multiplicable of 10, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. So 30 is bigger than 28, cannot be taken. So we have to take 20. And at 1 we got this one, at 2. So 2 will be written here. Eight minus 0, 8, 0. Then come down 7. Again in the multiple of 10, we will try to find out 87 if there is. Otherwise nearest to 87, that is 10 9s are 80, 10 9s are 90. This is bigger than 87, cannot be taken. So we have to take 80. And 8 will be written here. So 7 minus 0, 7. No number to bring down, and 7 is smaller than 10. So this is the end of the division. Your quotient is 28 and remainder is 7. So from this we can draw one important result. That is, in the case of division by 10, without dividing we can decide the quotient and the remainder. Here, how many zero here? Only 1 0. So the first digit, that is the digit in the units place, will always be the remainder, and the remaining digits will be the quotient. Let's come to the third example, third case. It is division of a number by 100. If we take the first digit smaller than this, second digit together taking also smaller than this, so we have to take the 3 digits. It is 467. So in the multiple of 100, 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300, 100 fours are 400, 100 fives are 500. So 500 is bigger than 467. This cannot be taken. So we have to take 400. And what will be there in the quotient? 4. Seven minus 0, 7. 6 minus 0, 6. Then bring down 5. Again we will search 675, or nearest to this in the multiple of 100. So 100 6 are 600. 100 7 are 700. So 700 is bigger than 675. So we have to take 600. In the quotient 6 will be there. Subtraction 5 7. And no number to come down, and 75 is smaller than 100. So this is the end of the division. Here the quotient is 46, remainder is 75. As in the case of division by 10, without division we can decide the quotient and the remainder. In the case of division of a number by 100, here how many zeros are here? 2 0. So 2 0 means last 2 digits. Last 2 digits will be always the remainder, and remaining digit will be always the quotient. In the case of division of a number by 100. And let's come to the last case, that is division by 1000. Like before, 2 smaller than 1000. 23 smaller than 1000, 234 smaller than 1000. So we have to take this much. So in the multiple of 1000, 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, 1000 threes are 3000. As 3000 is bigger than 2345, we have to take 2000. So the quotient 2 will be written. 5, 4, 3, then bring down 4. Again in the value table of 1000, we'll find this number. As 4000 is bigger than 3454, this cannot be taken. So we have to take 3000. The quotient 3 will be written. 4, 5, 4. And no number to bring down. And as 454 is smaller than 1000. This is the end of the division. Quotient is 23. Remainder is 454. As in the previous case, division of a number by 1000. Without actual division, we can decide, we can find out, we can predict the remainder and the quotient. Here 1, 2, 3, 30 means we have to count 1, 2, 3. This 3-digit number, that is 454, will be always the remainder, and the remaining digits number formed by the remaining digits, that is 23, will be always the quotient. So this is how to divide a number by 2-digit number by 100, 10, 100 and 1000. And remaining topics will be in the next video class. Let's wind up for today. Thank you, dear children.